Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.